If you're looking for a secure, flexible, and enterprise-ready reporting solution, Bold Reports is the answer. In this video, I'll show you how to embed the Bold Reports Report Viewer control into a React application. You'll also see how to handle runtime errors using built-in events. If you want to follow along, make sure you have Node.js installed in your machine. First, install the Create React app globally. This helps you quickly set up a React application without complex configurations. Run this command to install the Create React app package globally. Now, create the React app by running this command. Once the app is created, navigate to the project folder. Install the type definitions for Create React class by running this command. Then install the Bold Reports React package. Bold Reports requires window.jQuery to render components. To make jQuery available globally, create a globals.js file in the src folder and add this code. The React library is used for building the user interface. The Create React class library defines components with a legacy API. And the React DOM library is used for rendering those components in the DOM. Assigning these imports to global variables ensures that they are accessible throughout the application or in the browser console without needing to be imported repeatedly. Next, import this file into index.js to make jQuery globally available. To import the report viewer scripts and styles, open app.js and add this code snippet. The bold.reportviewer.min.css file is imported for rendering the report viewer control. The bold.reports.common.min file provides the base functionality and shared dependencies that the report viewer needs before any other Bold Reports component can run. Bold.reports.widgets.min loads the UI widget components required by the Bold Reports report viewer. Bold.reports.viewer.min loads the Bold Reports report viewer control responsible for rendering, displaying, and interacting with reports. Lastly, bold.reports.react.min provides the React components that allow the Bold Reports report viewer to be used inside a React application. Next, replace the existing code with a container div for the report viewer. The style attribute is used to apply inline styles to the div, defining its width and height. Add the Bold Report Viewer component tag to render the report viewer. Add the ID attribute and assign the value report viewer container, which specifies the unique identity of the HTML element. Next, you need to initialize the Web API service in the application. Create the report service URL and report path API parameters with these values. Here, report service URL points to your Web API service. The Web API service is hosted on your local machine. The service URL with localhost indicates that the service runs locally on the same machine as the application. And the API report viewer path is the API endpoint for the report viewer service. Report path specifies the report you want to render. I am going to render this sales order details report for this demo. Finally, start the app. Your React application will load the report in the browser using the report viewer. Now that the report viewer is loaded, let's look at how to handle errors using built-in events. Let's handle runtime failures using the reportError event. This event is triggered when an error occurs during report processing, such as an invalid dataset or missing configuration. I bind the error event in the tag. To demonstrate this, provide an invalid report path in the code. and implement the onReportError method to display an alert message. When the app refreshes, the report fails to process and the report error event is triggered, allowing you to show a meaningful error message to the user. To solve this error, correct the report path. Now the error is handled. Next, let's look at the showError event. This event is triggered when a report item error occurs. For example, when a text box contains an invalid expression or references a missing field. Bind the showError event. Change the report path to a report that contains an invalid expression. And implement the handler method. When the report attempts to render, the showError event fires and displays detailed error information, helping you diagnose report-level issues. To solve this error, I provide the right expression to the report. Then I preview the report to confirm that the errors do not appear. Publish the report. Download the report and add it to the service. Then add the publish report. And now the error is handled. Last is the ajaxError event. Assign the ajaxError event to an onAjaxError method. This event is triggered when the report viewer Ajax request fails. To demonstrate this, I update the report service URL with an incorrect value. I implement the onAjaxError method with a code block that displays the error message in an alert dialog. Now, when I refresh the application, the event triggers and shows the error message. You can see the report viewer fails to load. To solve this error, I provide the correct report service URL. And as you can see, the error is handled. In this video, I've shown you how to embed the Bold Reports Report Viewer into a React application and how to handle error scenarios using built-in events. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. You can begin a 30-day free trial. Or schedule a demo with an expert to explore how Bold Reports can work for your application. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.